Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert currencies in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You can convert currencies like dollars, euros, pound, sterling, BD Taka, Indian rupee, etc. in Microsoft Excel without using a currency converter utility. Use this format to get the work done. To convert one currency to another currency, you would need to use some columns on Microsoft Excel sheet and very simple formula. Now I'm going to show you how to convert currency in Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel document. Look here, I have prepared a monthly income statement in column B, income sources such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Dailymotion, Upwork, and Fiverr. And in column C, income in dollar from Facebook, I have earned $351 from YouTube, $425, Instagram, $213, Dailymotion, $110, Upwork, $385, and Fiverr, $412. And the exchange rate in BD Taka, you need to find the exchange rate. Go to Google Chrome, type dollar to Taka, hit enter. You can find any currency rate from Google search, and the conversion rate is 106.49 Bangladeshi Taka in $1. Okay, 106.49. Go to Excel sheet and exchange rate. Type here 106.49. Now you will need a formula here. Income in Taka. Okay, the formula is equal to location of the first cell, asterisk, and variable, then column for the exchange rate, then variable, and then row of exchange rate. I'm just copying this formula and paste the formula here. First, the location of first cell, this one, income in dollar from Facebook, which serial number is 1. The first cell is C4. Okay, I'm editing the formula. Type C4, this column. Okay, then asterisk, then variable, and then column for exchange rate, this one. Okay, this one is D4. D, and now row for exchange rate, that is 4. Okay, type here 4. Okay, now click on empty area. Click yes. Look, the $351 is converted in Bangladeshi Taka 37,377.99. Okay, now just keep the mouse pointer here and drag up to last row. Look, all rows of dollar has been converted into Bangla Taka. Now you can calculate the total income here, and the total income is 198,284.38 Bangla Taka. This is the easy process to convert currencies in Excel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.